Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Ted again, back with Ted Vitamins, and today we're going to be looking at a little bit of some media center software. Today we're going to be reviewing Plex, just taking a look at that and just showing you some of the cool things that Plex can do for you. If you're not familiar with Plex, it's media center client server based software. Similar to Boxie or where it was actually derived from, which is XBMC. Just gives you your media, your music, your videos, and your pictures in a nice nice UI, nice little GUI interface, and presented to you in a lean back environment, if you will. So let's go ahead and jump on into it. As you can see today, we're at my little rigged up here home theater PC slash server, if you will. Like I said, Plex is server client based software. So on the media server, I have the Plex media server installed, and then when we get to the client side, I'll be showing you the Plex media server client side. To install the software, it's real easy. You can just run a search for Plex, and it'll show up. It used to be only on Mac, but they have now made it available for Windows and Linux as well. But only the server side is available in Linux, so hopefully they'll get the client version up soon. But you'll go to Plex, and for me, I've got Windows, and here you've got the Media Center, which is the client version, and then you've got the Media Server, which is the server side version. So for the server side, you would of course download the server. Now you don't need to have two computers to do this. In fact, on my little home theater PC, I have the Media Center and the Media Server version installed as well, because I like to watch some stuff on the big screen here. First but if you are like me, you'll download the Media Server first, and then you'll download the Media Center. So you download the Media Server, run through the install, and that will install the Media Manager, and then of course everything else needed to serve the files around the home into portable devices as well. That'll give you the Media Manager, which is what you would use to point Plex to all of your media on the computer, your photos, your videos, TV shows, music, and home movies. As you can see, I've already added two sections, library sections, movies and music, and it's real easy to add them. You pop open your preferences, or no, what am I doing? That's just preferences. You would click one of these sections right here. So if you wanted to add movies, you pop movies open, and you click add, and then gives you your little file tree. You can point Plex to where your stuff is. So the server, setting up the server side isn't really that difficult. Like I said, point it to where all your media is, and just give it a little while to scan the computer and pull all your media in. So like I said, not too much to the server side. Once it all scans your media, you can go ahead and install the client side, either on the same computer like I have done, or you can install it on like a laptop or a portable device, which we'll be getting into here in just a second. I'll be hopping over to the client side on the laptop here in just a minute. Okay guys, so now we're taking a look at the client side software. And as you can see, it is a gorgeous user interface. Gives you, when you first open it up, it has this little right side pane here. Of course, it's a little shrunk down. We're on the laptop here, but on the right hand side gives you this really nice pane, and it goes through all the media that it has been pointed to. It gives you little media snippets or little pictures of all the media that you have. So that's on the right hand side. On the left hand side is your menu, and when you scroll through this here, I selected that? Yep. Okay, so when you scroll through here, like as you can see here, it's got your you've got your movies, your music, your video channels, which is real nice. They've got a real nice library of video channels. But right here you can see these are pretty much the best ones, the most popular ones. It also comes with music channels as well. And then of course you have access to the channel directory, and then you can set up your preferences. That's where you go to point all of your clients to the server. Again, really easy to configure. But once you get it up and running, it gives you like I said, this really nice gorgeous UI. And let's see here. So we'll go ahead and we can pop into our movies. So when you highlight on the movies, it gives you of course your on deck, and then your recently added. On deck is what you took a look at or browsed through recently, and recently added is of course what was most recently added to the media center, obviously. So it gives you this little preview, and then if you actually select it, you can kind of tab down into all these other options to get a little bit more specific. So say you want to watch a horror movie. So here we are, we've got a horror, and then what horror movies do we have here? So yep, see, we got Aliens, Apollo 18, Cry Wolf, Death Proof. Yep, so it's pretty good at categorizing the movies. It gets all this information from the IMDb, so it's pretty good at categorizing what you got. And once you go ahead and find out what you want, you pop enter, and in a few moments it starts playing your movie. Music works the same way as well. It gives you the ability to specify genre or year, or of course artist. So music gives you the little preview as well. So let's say we want to listen to some, what do we have? We can listen to some classic rock. Do we have any classic rock? Yep, we got some AC/DC and some Fleetwood Mac. So like I said, just when you're going through this, it gives you a real pretty interface, a little bit about the artist and some pictures. If we pop down into it, it of course gives you track listing, and if you select it, of course it starts to play. There you go. I mean, that's pretty much Plex. It gives you, like I said, that really gorgeous interface, and it's the real easy to set up, really pretty, and again, it is presented to you in that lean back sort of fashion. You really got to check it out on a big screen television. It's really nice, and like I said, real easy to navigate and real easy to install and set up. So there you go, guys. That's Plex, and leave your questions and comments in the boxes below, and take care.